Hi everybody, how y'all doing? It's me again. Yeah, you see these beautiful flowers here? Beautiful flowers. I wanted to just show y'all a simple video, like and subscribe. Um, how I see over time. See, I had these for quite some time, and they still beautiful, but they just hanging over and everything. You know, over time they just kind of seep down, fall down to the sides, and everything falling down to the sides and everything. It's just a little simple video, just to tell you guys how to make them look presentable in your home. You know, real quick. Like and subscribe. Okay, I'm taking these little ordeals. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the description down in a description box. These here from Amazon. When we had COVID going on and everybody was locked up in their house and everything, these little things here go on your mask. It goes on a mask. See, I'm a sewer. I have my sewing machine over there, and you sew these on to the mask on the sides of the mask. So I said, what can I use these for? I'm like, I just, they just hanging around and just collecting dust. So I said, I got an idea. I'm going to put these flowers up together where they should be and make them look presentable with my mask little triumphs here. I'm gonna put it down in the description to find them if you're interested. Okay, see these things here, and then they stretch. Okay, so first we're gonna, I hope you guys can hear me. We're just gonna start with this top one here. I hope you guys can see. Like and subscribe, please. And just tie this one on to here. Tie this one, tie it in a knot to where your incomers, viewers, or whatever cannot see. And when they come to your door, tie it in a small knot. Like so. All right. And I would want to get that tag off, huh? It would be nice to get the tag off. It would be real nice. There you go. Tag is off. Got another tag. And I had these so long, and I still never seen those tags. Ain't that something? Okay, that's the first one. All right. Straighten out those leaves. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's looking a little better already. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take, let's see. We're gonna do this one here because it's kind of hanging over a little bit. We're gonna fix this one and tie it to this branch here. I'm not going to tie that one too tight. Let's see. Yeah. All right. What y'all think? Leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments what y'all think. Let me know. Okay, and this one here. That one on that side. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's leaning. We want it to look gorgeous and beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're going to tie that one to... Oh, we got one in here. Okay. I'll tie that one to here. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. All right, all right. And so, let's see. The next one, we're going to do that one over, yeah, that one over there. Thank you. Yeah. This one here, yeah. Yeah, we're going to do a little something to this one. Just a little something. Just a little something. They're such beautiful flowers, either way it goes. Without all of this, still beautiful flowers. I wouldn't mind getting my own garden with these wonderful, wonderful white flowers. Beautiful. Okay, okay. We're getting somewhere. All right, and this one here. He just hanging down. Just saying, hello, how you doing? Just hanging down. So we're gonna put him somewhere right here, like that. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna put him. I don't know. Let's see. He really looks good like that. But no, I'm not satisfied like that. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Right here. What y'all think? Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. You guys' comments means a lot to me. A whole lot. Okay, let me tie this one. Tie this one up. See how this works out. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We getting somewhere. Okay. Okay. Well, that looks beautiful. It looks okay. It looks beautiful. I can't complain. It looks better than before. I mean, it was just hanging up there, just everywhere. It was just everywhere. Just hanging up there and looking wishy-washy. But now they're beautiful. And y'all just use what you got to get what you want. That's all you got to do. And you'll come out with this gorgeous plant. Thank y'all for viewing once again. God bless.